Forget cramped hotel rooms and lukewarm continental breakfasts. Imagine waking up in a sprawling villa overlooking the Mediterranean. Picture yourself sipping espresso by your private infinity pool. That's the allure of luxury vacation homes. These aren't your grandma's timeshares. We're talking high-end estates, sleek city penthouses, and charming countryside cottages, all dripping with amenities and oozing exclusivity. It's about experiencing a destination like a local, but with a serious upgrade. Think gourmet kitchens for whipping up feasts with farmers market finds, private theaters for movie nights under the stars, maybe even a game room to indulge your competitive side. It's your own private paradise, far from the madding crowds. Ready to ditch the tourist traps and embrace true luxury? Let's dive into the world of high-end vacation rentals. Trust me, your inner travel snob will thank you. So, you're ready to swap the hotel minibar for a fully stocked wine fridge? Smart move. The first step is knowing where to find these luxurious hideaways. Thankfully, the internet is your oyster, overflowing with platforms dedicated to high-end vacation rentals. One such platform is Airbnb Luxe. Don't let the name fool you. This isn't your college roommate's crash pad. We're talking hand-selected properties, vetted for quality, design, and jaw-dropping amenities. Think private chefs, helicopter transfers, the works. Then there's One Finestay, specializing in chic urban escapes and sprawling countryside estates. They offer a concierge service that takes care of everything, from stocking the fridge with your favorite snacks to booking private tours. Talk about traveling in style. Don't overlook smaller boutique agencies either. These niche platforms often specialize in specific regions or types of properties. Looking for a Tuscan villa with vineyard views? They've got you covered. Dreaming of a ski chalet in Aspen? They know just the place. Remember, the internet is a vast and sometimes overwhelming place. Take your time, explore the different platforms, and find the one that speaks to your inner luxury traveler. You've found your platform, now it's time to find your palace. But with so many incredible properties, narrowing it down can feel like choosing between winning lottery tickets. Don't panic. A little planning goes a long way. First, consider your destination. Beach bumming in Bali, wine tasting in Tuscany, skiing in the Alps. Each location offers a unique flavor of luxury. Once you've nailed down your destination, think about your travel style. Are you traveling with family, friends, or flying solo? How many bedrooms and bathrooms will you need? Do you crave a bustling city center or a secluded countryside retreat? Be honest about your needs and prioritize accordingly. Next, delve into the amenities. Private pool, check. Fully equipped gym, check. Home theater, double check. Don't be afraid to get specific. This is your luxury vacation after all. Finally, read the reviews. Previous guests are a goldmine of information. They'll tell you everything from the property's true condition to the responsiveness of the host. A little research goes a long way in ensuring a 5-star experience. Sure, hotels have their perks, room service, daily housekeeping, that little mint on your pillow, but they can feel impersonal and cramped. Luxury vacation homes offer space and privacy, sprawling living areas, gourmet kitchens, and private suites. Plenty of room to roam and no awkward encounters. Your own private sanctuary to truly relax. Often more affordable for larger groups. Full kitchens, save on dining out. Experience a destination like a local. Create lasting memories, not just check off a list. Remember those winning lottery tickets we talked about? Well, renting a luxury vacation home often comes with a slew of extra perks that feel like hitting the jackpot. We're talking VIP treatment, people. Many high-end properties offer concierge services that go above and beyond. Need a private chef to whip up a gourmet feast? Consider it done. Yearning for a relaxing in-villa massage? They'll book the best therapist in town. Want to explore the region like a VIP? They can arrange private tours, chauffeured excursions, and even helicopter transfers. Forget battling crowds or deciphering public transportation maps. You're on vacation time. Some properties even come with exclusive access to private beaches, golf courses, or spas. Imagine having a pristine stretch of sand all to yourself, or teeing off on a championship course without the wait. These extra perks elevate the luxury vacation experience from memorable to truly unforgettable. So, embrace the VIP treatment and let your inner travel rockstar shine. Section 6. Don't be shy. Negotiate securing the best deal. Luxury doesn't have to mean breaking the bank. While high-end vacation homes come with a certain price tag, there's often room for negotiation, especially for longer stays or during the off-season. Don't be afraid to reach out to the host or property manager and inquire about potential discounts or special offers. Traveling during the shoulder season, the period between peak and off-season, can also yield significant savings. Another tip is to book directly through the property owner or manager whenever possible. This can often result in lower prices, as you'll be avoiding the booking fees charged by some platforms. Finally, consider your payment method. Some credit cards offer travel rewards or points that can be redeemed for discounts on accommodations. Using these perks strategically can help you maximize your budget and stretch your travel dollars further. Remember, a little savvy negotiation can go a long way in securing the best possible deal on your dream luxury vacation home. So, channel your inner bargain hunter and get ready to indulge without overspending. Section 7. Read the fine print, avoiding rental nightmares. Before you pack your designer luggage, consider a few essential to avoid surprises. Read the fine print. Pay attention to the cancellation policy. Life happens and plans change. Understand terms for cancellations and refunds. Review the house rules carefully. Some properties have noise and guest restrictions. Understand the security deposit policy. Many homes require a deposit for damages. Don't hesitate to ask questions. It's better to be safe than sorry. Pack your bags, not your worries, ensuring a smooth stay. You've found your perfect luxury vacation home and negotiated a great deal. Now it's time to relax and enjoy. Communication is key. Confirm check-in and check-out procedures. Provide your estimated arrival time and any special requests. Familiarize yourself with the property. Locate important amenities like Wi-Fi and appliances. Treat the property with respect. Relax, unwind, and savor every moment. Section 9. Home away from home, only better. The luxury vacation rental recap. So there you have it, a glimpse into the world of luxury vacation rentals. From sprawling villas to chic city penthouses, these high-end properties offer a unique and unforgettable travel experience. Remember, finding the perfect rental takes time and research. Explore different platforms, consider your needs and budget, and don't be afraid to ask questions. Once you've found your dream home away from home, embrace the extra perks, negotiate a great deal, and prepare for a vacation that exceeds your wildest expectations. Now go forth and conquer the world of luxury travel. Your private paradise awaits.